And I've said we draw 11 columns. So I have the first column. The first column is called year. The second column is quarter. The third column is value. And value is noted as capital A. The next column is called 4 moving average. 4 moving average. 4 moving average. The next one is called centered average. Centered average. The next one is called estimate seasonal index. The centered is labeled T. This is given as A minus T. Then we have accurate seasonal index, which we normally call S. Then I have adjusted values. Adjusted values. Now this is A divided. Then this will be A divided by S, which we call Y. So this one is called number, which is capital X. Number is X. Then we have X squared. Then we have X1. I hope you're able to see clearly what I've written. Now, what I shall do, I'm going to divide my book, but for you, you will not, because your book is already subdivided. In other words, I'm saying I'm going to draw lines. For you, your book is already ruled, so you don't have to do like I'm doing.
So I'm just adding more spaces down there. Yours is a full page. Mine is not.
So I believe that we have finished drawing the lines. I believe that we have finished. So we are still solving the question we had last time. The question of December 2022, question 6B. So this is how you do the recording. This is how you do the recording. For the first year, you record here 2019. 2019. Then in the quarter, you record 1. And we record the quarters as we skip lines. So you record as we skip. So you skip 1 line, 2. You skip 3. You skip 4. You skip 1. That is now 2020. You skip 2. You skip 3. You skip 4. You skip 1. That is 2021. You skip. So I skip 1, I write 2. I skip 1, 3. I skip 1, 4. I skip 1. That is now 2022. My data goes to, so I need some more lines here. I need some more lines. Need some more lines. So I skip 2, I skip 3. Yeah, so that is enough. You don't have to skip another one. So this one now gives us the top. So here we have the total. We have the total. Then the values, we record them as they have been given. This is 12, this is 9, 11, 14, then 13, 10, 17, 20, 15, 13, 20, 22, 16, 12, 21. So are we up to that point? Except for those who have joined late, I mean Sarah and Jacqueline. The others. Christine, umefika hapo?
Yes, mwalimu.
Eh? Irene?
Yes.
Sitakusikia?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. Ibrahim?
Yes.
Okay. And Beatrice? Are you there? You can either speak or type. Yes, Beatrice. Okay, I hope the hand says you are there. Good. Haya, Sarah and Jackie, itabidi mtufuate mkikopi. Let us now get the four moving averages. The moving averages, this is how you compute. You take the first four values, you add them. So let's begin. You say 12. Okay, good, Beatrice. Say 12 plus 9 plus 11 plus 14 equals that answer divided by 4 and tell me what you're getting. Once you get the answer, you type or you speak.
11.5.
11.5, good. Now that 11.5 is written at the center of the four values. So the center is between 9 and 11. So you are going to skip. You are going to skip, or rather you are going to write in the line that you have skipped here. So 11.5. That's where it's written. 11.5. Let's now drop these 12. After you drop 12, from here you count the next 4. So 9 plus 11 plus 14 plus 13 equals, then you divide by 4. Give me the answer. The answer?
11.75.
11.75. So that one is recorded here. 11.75. So it's like, you see now, even here we have started skipping the lines. Now skip or drop 9 and pick 11 plus 14 plus 13 plus 10 equals, divide by 4.
9.
9. Someone else?
Mwalimu, please allow me take you back.
Yes.
When you started with the four moving average and you said 12 plus 9 plus 11 plus 14, and you divided by 4, why did you put the 11.5 between the 9 and the 11 and probably not between the 12 and the 9?
Because we are supposed to record at the center of the 4. So the center of those 4, it is between 9 and 11.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, which is the same thing that we are doing here. Tukishaachana na 12, we now pick 9, 11, 14, 13. So the answer we record between the 4 of them, which is now between 11 and 14, 11.75. And now to Kohapa, we already have dropped 9, So tumechukua 11 plus 14 plus 13 plus 10. Divide by 4. I'm waiting for your answer.
12.
12. Let's drop 11. Now pick 14 plus 13 plus 10 plus 17. Divide the answer by 4.
13.5.
13.5. And I need to hear another person to talk. Now drop 14, and we have 13 plus 10 plus 17 plus 20 equals. Divide by 4. 15, 15. Drop 13. Take 10 plus 17 plus 20 plus 15. You divide by 4.
15.5.
15.5. Good. 15. You drop 10. Take 17 plus 20 plus 15 plus 13. Divide by 4.
16.25.
16.25. So drop 17. Now take 20 plus 15 plus 13 plus 20 equals. Divide by 4.
17.
17. Drop 20. Take 15 plus 13 plus 20 plus 22. Divide by 4.
17.5.
17.5. Drop 15 and take 13 plus 20 plus 22 plus 16. Divide by 4.
17.75.
17.75. Now drop 13, and we have 20 plus 22 plus 16 plus 12. Divide by 4. 'We get what?
17.5.
17.5. Then drop 20. Take 22 plus 16 plus 12 plus 21. Divide by 4.
17.75.
17.75. And I need now to hear from other persons. Now to hear from Christy. The others also need to hear from you. So that I'm assured we are together. Let's go to this column now of centering. Now to center, what you do, you add the two neighboring averages, you divide by 2. So hizi mbili zimepakana, you add them, you divide by 2, the answer tunaandika hapa at their center. So let's go, the first one, 11.5 plus 11.75 equals, divide by 2. Give me the answer.
11.625.
11.625, good. So unaiandika hapa 11.625. I hope you have space enough because you are supposed to use 4 decimals. But do you have enough space, or am the lines you believe very small? I mean the columns. Let's go to the next one. Now you take these two again, this and this, you add them. So 11.75 plus 12 divided by 2. We are getting 11.875. 12 plus 13.5 divided by 2 is equal to what? I'm waiting for
12.75.
Okay, 12.75. 12.75. To ensure that we are giving everyone space. Can you be typing? Be typing. I'll be saying the results and they trickle in, so that I'm also able to judge who is not participating. Yeah, so let's go to the next one. 13.5 plus 15 divided by 2 equals what? Yes, between I can see that. Let me get the answers now. Yeah, I read 14.25. I think that is better. Now we take 15 plus 15.5 divided by 2. Fifteen plus 15.5 divided by 2. Yes, I can see 15.25. And let's go to the next one. 15.5 plus 16.25 divided by 2. Yeah, 15.875. Higher. Let's take 16.25 plus 17 equals, divide by 2. 16.625. Higher. Let us take 17 plus 17.5 to divide by 2. The answer is what? You have 17.25. 17.25. So let's now have 17.5 plus 17.75 divided by 2. Divide by 2. Ah, 17. 17 point, is it 17.7? 17.625. 17.625. 625. Huyu mwingine 17.75 plus 17.5 you divide by 2. It is also the same. 17.625. Yeah. Good. The last one, 17.5 plus 17.75, divide by 2. Oh, zinapatana, the three of them. 17.625. That is how you center. That is how you center the values. That is how you center the values. So once you have centered, the next thing now is to get the estimate seasonal index. And the estimate is obtained like this. You can see the formula here says A divided by T. So Takuja, where we have T, you look for the A. A is 11. So 11 divided by 11.625, and we can confine ourselves to 4 decimals. So 11 divided by 11.625 equals where is that? Wow. Oh, I was not speaking. That's why you could not hear Beatrice and Irene. Now, can you hear? Good. Now, I was saying we divide this. 11, you divide by this. I don't know whether we have enough space. Do you have enough space to use 4 decimals or we use 3 decimals? Okay, let's then confine ourselves to 3 decimals. So if it is 3 decimals, then it will be 0.946. 0.946. Sasa hiyo inaandikwa on that same line there. Tukuja kwa hii ingine, sema 14 divide by 11.875 and give me the answer. 14 divided by 11.875. Yeah, 1.179. 179. Good. 13, you divide by 12.75. I'm getting 1.02. That will come to 2. If you are using 3 decimals. 10 divided by 14.25 is coming to 0.702. 17 divided by 15.25 is 1.145. 20 divided by 15.875 is 1.26. 15 divided by 16.625 is 0.902. 13 divided by 17.25 is 0.754. 0.754. 20 divided by 17.625 is 1.135. 22 divided by 17.625 is 1.248. 16 divided by 17.625 is 0.908. Uh-huh. 17 divided by 15.525. This one divided by 5 is 1.11. Let me repeat. 17 divided by 15.25. Oh, sure. Good. Thank you. Thank you, Irene. Beatrice, each other one, you're saying 1.905. Are we in agreement with all the figures now? Okay, so Ibrahim says yes. Someone else? If you're in agreement with all the figures, let me know. The others, are we not in agreement? If you are not in agreement, you say which one you differ. Okay, I can see Beatrice, I can see Irene. Good. So let's now move to get the. Christine is talking of 2022 quarter 2. 2022 quarter 2. Quarter 2 is not there. This one. Haikuwa na value yake hapa. Christine? That's right. No, it didn't. Good. So if that is agreed, let's go to the next level. The next level is to get the accurate indices. And the accurate indices are arrived at this way. You start with this one. Now this one is in the third quarter. So you pick all the estimates that are in the third quarter. So this one plus this one plus this one. We add them. Let's start. 0.946 plus this one 1.115 plus this one 1.135 equals, and the answer divide by 3, and then you give me the answer to 3 decimals. The answer you divide by 3, give me the answer to 3 decimals. Yes, yes, I can say 1.065. So that 1.065, you record it everywhere there is the third quarter. Let me start so that they don't confuse you. Just record here 1.065. 1.065. That way. Let us come here. This other one. This one. This one is in quarter 4. So you pick all the others that are in quarter 4. We add them. So ya kwanza ni 1.179. This one. Then kuna hii 1.26. Alafu kuna hii 1.248. You divide by 3. Give me the answer. You divide it by 3. 1.229. Yeah, 1.229. So you record here 1.229. The next one is here, which is in quarter 1. So all the estimates that are in quarter 1, we add them, we divide by whatever number they are. So 1.02 plus kuna hii 0.902 plus there is this one 0.908. You divide the answer by 3. Give me the answer to 3 decimals. The answer to 3 decimals, 0.943. Now, what you can see, we already have 3 values. These ones, for 3 quarters. The one that we do not have is this one for quarter 2. So what you do after you have gotten those 3, you add them and determine what value remains so that they add to 4. Because when you are dealing with a multiplicative model, the seasonal indices should add to the number of moving periods that you are using to compute the moving averages. So we are using 4, 4. So in the multiplicative, the 4 seasonal values should add to 4. So let's add these 3. Let's add them. 1.065 plus 1.229 plus 0.943. If you subtract that answer from 4, subtract what you have gotten from 4, will be 0.763. Now that 0.673, you record it here. 0.763. So I have said what to do, Christine. You come here. This is the first one. It is in quarter 3. You take all the estimate indices for quarter 3. You add them. So there is this one, there is this one, and this one. You add them, then you divide the answer by 3. And what you get, you're here. Is that okay, Christine? Then you do the same with the others. And I have said, once you do the first 3, the fourth one you get by subtracting these 3 from 4. Just get the fourth one by subtracting the first 3 from 4. So when you have the 4 of them, these are now what we call the adjusted, or rather the accurate seasonal indices. You copy them where they belong. To copy them where they belong, I mean this. You see, this is for quarter 3. This one. Record it everywhere we have quarter 3. You record it everywhere we have quarter 3. Everywhere we have quarter 3. So here I have quarter 3. So I'm going to record 1.065. Then here I have 1.065, and here 1.065. So everywhere there is quarter 3. Then this one, it is for quarter 4. So you record it everywhere we have quarter 4. There is this one, 1.229. Even here, 1.229. The next one is for quarter 1. So you recorded kila mahali kuna quarter 1. So here I have quarter 1, 0.943. Then hapa I have 0.943. Then here I have 0.943. This other one is for quarter 2, 0.763. So we record it here, 0.763. And here, 0.763. 0.763. And in so doing, sasa utaona hii column yetu imejaa. Quarter 2 kuna mahali sikuandika. Quarter 2, 0.763. Hapa, 0.763. So my quarter imejaa. that way. So kama tumejaza hivyo, let's now adjust the values. And what you do, the formula is very clear again. The formula is very clear. You will be taking this value of A to divide by this value of S. And I want us to avoid decimals. So let's go 12 divided by 0.943. If you round up or down, what will be the answer? Without any decimal. You round appropriately. What is the answer? $13, good. So andika 13 hapa. Then sema 9 divided by 0.763. You get what? $12. So let's continue the same way. You say 11 divided by 1.065 is 10. 14 divided by 1.229, you have 11. 13 divided by 0.943 is 14. 10 divided by 0.763 is 13. 17 divided by 1.065 is 16. 20 divided by 1.229 is 16. 15 divided by 0.943 is 16 again. 13 divided by 0.763 is 17. 20 divided by 1.065 is 19. 22 divided by 1.229 is 18. 16 divided by 0.943 is 17. 12 divided by 0.763 is 16. 21 divided by 1.065 is 20. Is 20. Are you in agreement with those values? Type yes if you are in agreement with all of them. If no, you let me know. Yes, Beatrice. The others, are we in agreement? Yeah, I can see we are saying yes. So that is good. So sasa we number the quarters. So hii nilikwambia unasema 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And 15. So the other columns utajaza on your own and give me the totals. Hapa utakuwa unasema 1 square, that is 1, 13 times 1, that is 13. 2 square is 4, 12 times 2 is 24. This is 9, this is 30. So endelea namna hiyo, utanipea totals za the 4 columns. Total ya y, ya x square na those the last 4 columns. Jaza na utafute totals. So let me now get the values. Ya kwanza, sum of y, column y umepata tuko ya waiting for the total. $228. The next one is sum of x. What have you gotten? $120. The next one is sum of x squared. X squared. $12.40. And the last one is sum of y. Sum of xy, sorry, xy or yx. 1983. 1983. So if we're in agreement with those values, the next thing we do is to develop the equation So regression function for the adjusted values. We want to develop now the regression equation for the adjusted values. So we say the equation is y is equal to a plus bx, where b is given as n, sum of xy minus sum of x, sum of y. You divide this by n, sum of x squared minus sum of x, you square. So we put these values, n is 15, the total number of items, n is 15. You multiply by sum of xy, which is 1983, minus sum of x, which is 120, times sum of y, which is 228. You divide by n, which is 15, multiplied by sum of x squared, which is 1240, minus sum of x, 120 times 120. So work out that and then give me the answer. Waiting for the okay, I can see from Ibrahim 0.568. Someone else? Confirm 0.568. Yeah, it's confirmed by Irene. So let's get A. A is given as a sum of y minus b, sum of x you divide by n. So this is going to be 228 minus 0.568 multiplied by sum of x, which is 120. You divide by n, which is 15. So you give me the value of yeah, 10.656. 10.656. 656. And hence, y is equals to 10.656 plus 0.568x. So if you are told to predict, we have the year here, we have the quarter, we have the number, and then we have the forecasts. Now the forecasts, we are told to predict. So for the year 2022, quarter 4, that would be number 16. So utasema ni 10.656 plus 0.568 multiplied by 16. The year 2023 quarter 1 is number 17. So 10.656 plus 0.568 multiplied by 17. Quarter number 2 is 18. 10.656 plus 0.568 times 18. Number 3 is 19. 10.656 plus 0.568 multiplied by 19. Number 4, we have 20. 10.656 plus 0.568 times 20. So get those answers. Yeah, I can see the answers that are given by Ibrahim. $19.744, $20.312, $20.88, $21.448, $22.016. Are we in agreement with those values? Yes, Irene is in agreement. Who else? Okay, now for the remaining time, I would like you to do this question. The question of November 2018. Question 4. November 2018, question 4. Look at it. Okay. Oh, Christine unauliza the question iko wapi? They are the past papers. Have you seen the past papers? So let me forward those things so that those who have joined the group recently. So I have forwarded the papers, so everyone should be able to see them. Okay, Christine, have you seen the papers now? Okay, good. Oh, it was someone else asking. Okay. Okay, good. Whoever was asking, I hope they have seen. So we call it a day at that point. We shall do another the other model, the predictive model, in the next lesson. Thank you so much. See you in the next lesson.